The Winklevoss twins, who founded a popular cryptocurrency exchange, have launched a new startup called Superluna. This new company will focus on developing decentralized technology applications, such as Web3 apps, and training the next generation of developers. Web3 is an open, decentralized web based on blockchain technology, which allows for peer-to-peer apps and token economies, financial transactions without intermediaries, and provenance of documents. This new technology is complex, but there are benefits. It is privacy first, and decentralized, putting power in the hands of creators and communities. While the technology is still in its early stages, there are already hundreds of applications running on some version of Web3. The goal of Web3 is to replace third parties with a decentralized network. This new technology will unlock new business models and value chains. By eliminating intermediaries and giving power to the individual, Web3 will give individuals control over their own identity and financial transactions. And because the internet is already based on blockchain technology, this new technology will be easier to implement than ever before. Web3 applications are designed to enable decentralized economies to form through their digital assets. By facilitating decentralized economies, Web3 applications can accrue value from broad sources and distribute it equitably among system stakeholders. But in order for such systems to be successful, they must also vest meaningful power, control, and ownership to all of the stakeholders. This way, consumers can contribute to a decentralized economy. Web3 culture is a young, wild, and exciting space. It resembles the early days of the internet. It is reminiscent of the 90s, when web culture was full of blue-sky experimentation and the excitement of discovery. This is also a time when new ways to express oneself were being built. Web3 design is once again adventurous, tectonic, blinged out, and brutal. For designers, Finity offers a quick and intuitive layout. Its toolkit reflects the differences in Web3 development and is easy to use. The visual library lets designers choose individual elements or combine them into one. Finity is free and open source, allowing users to experiment with the different approaches to creating their dApps. Users can also customize and combine symbols, enabling the development of custom applications that are compatible with any Web3 platform. The growing number of decentralized applications, known as dApps, is a bullish indicator for Web3 adoption. But often, teams have a higher priority on functionality than design. This means that most dApps lack a good UI. Finity allows developers to create a user-first, modular interface while retaining the utmost quality. Finity includes tried-and-true assets, visual libraries, and 3D design, enabling developers to design better user experiences faster than ever. The company has released Finity as a general release application, making it available for Polygon developers. Developers can download it from its developer portal. It can be used to quickly build apps, without having to write a single line of code. Developers can save precious time by using Finity's SDK, which covers both front-end and back-end development. As the industry moves forward, the role of UI/UX designers is becoming even more important. Many Web3 startups are looking for experienced UI/UX designers to help them create a new user experience that delights users and keeps them engaged. UI/UX designers have the ability to shape the future of the web. The generation of DeFi users consists primarily of millennials and Gen Z. These are the generations that practically grew up online and are very demanding in their expectations.